Welcome. In front of me is ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to get your cursor back on the display when your touchpad isn't working. So since your laptop has a touch screen, it will be much easier to recover the access to your touchpad. So the first thing you have to do is tap on the start button, then go to settings, then go to Bluetooth and devices settings, then select touchpad, and if your touchpad is disabled right here, you just have to tap on this toggle in order to switch it back on. But if it didn't help you, then the other thing you can do is open the start menu, then search for device manager, open it. Let's put it on a full screen, and right here we'll have to select human interface devices and expand this tab. And right here you can see an HID compliant touchpad, which you have to open. Not touch screen but touchpad. Let's tap on it twice. It's quite kind of tricky. Okay, then let's click driver. Click on the driver tab and try disabling your touchpad. Click yes. Then enable it again. And if it works, then it's great. But if it doesn't, then the last thing you can do is uninstall the device. So click uninstall, confirm, and then just restart your PC to reinstall the touchpad reset the touchpad settings. So let's wait until our device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, your touchpad should start working again. But if it still didn't, then the only option remaining for you is to reach out to Lenovo customer support service or just to the nearest repair center in order to transfer your laptop to them and let them take care of it, and they will most definitely help you out with your issue. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.